Hello, it's me again. Right, I'm going to make some bags. I'm going to show somebody called Kaylee how to make bags. Right. Cotton material, because you don't have to iron it, and it can boil wash when it gets dirty, when you fill it with potatoes. That's a pretty summer beach bag for whenever. This one here is my tobacco bag for when I go in car. Take all my stuff in. But these two are over 40 years old. They're pump bags for when Philip and Sammy were at school, and they've lasted. Obviously they're not used now and they're wearing, but it's good that, isn't it? And soon I'm going to show you how I made them. Right, bye. Oh, just a minute. There's my friend Poppy again. Hello Poppy. Oh, alright then. And Mrs. disappeared.